Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to keep important apps accessible during app limits on Mac. So app limits are useful to reduce the amount of time you spend using apps, but not every app should be restricted. Some apps such as messaging, work, education, navigation, or emergency tools may need to remain available even after you have reached your daily limit. The always allowed feature gives you a simple way to create exceptions for those important apps, so you can continue using them while other apps remain restricted by screen time. So if you would like to keep important app accessible during app limits, first click on the Apple logo and then choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to screen time. Here go to always allowed and find the important app that you don't want to be restricted and then turn on the toggle right to them. Repeat the same process for other apps that should always remain available. And from now on, the app you have marked as always allowed will continue to be accessible even while your app limits are active. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.